Jonathan Townley is here in our weather center. Jonathan, what's on the forecast for today?
Yeah, Brian, it is warm and humid out there this morning. We've already got temperatures in the 80s and 90s across Texoma. And as we head into the afternoon, our temperatures will continue to warm up. We currently have temperatures in the upper 80s in southeastern Oklahoma, 89 in Idabel, 89 in Hugo, and 91 in Durant. Now, as we head into this afternoon, you can expect temperatures to start off your lunchtime in the 90s with temperatures reaching about 100 degrees by this evening, and will stay dry and hot throughout the day. Back to you, Brian.
Temperatures are in the hundreds all this week in Texoma. Jonathan, how can Texomans deal with this blistering heat?
Good morning. We are starting the day off warm out there today. Currently 90 in Denison. We do have some hazy skies out there. Feels like 95 as you walk out the door this morning. We do have a heat advisory in effect for Texoma from 1 p.m. to 9 p.m. this afternoon. So if you're headed outdoors, make sure you're drinking plenty of water and taking frequent breaks in the shade. Temperatures across the area are currently in the upper 80s to the lower 90s. 92 in Durant, 90 in Tishomingo, and 91 in Medill. Now we do have this tropical disturbance near Puerto Rico that we're currently monitoring for development over the next several days. And as you can see, the National Hurricane Center does have about a 60% chance of development over the next 7 days in the Florida Peninsula. So if you have friends and family in that region, you might notify them to be on the lookout for that storm as it heads their way. Now here back at home, we have this high pressure system shifting off to the west, and this is going to open the door for some rain chances and maybe a little bit of cooler temperatures. But as we head back into next week, that high pressure system will shift back directly over our area. Your future sky forecast does show some rain moving into the area through tomorrow, as well as a cold front, and our rain chances will continue into the weekend. We're not expecting a lot of rain out of this, maybe a few scattered showers and storms. So if you have weekend plans, there's no reason to cancel those. Your air quality forecast does look unhealthy for some over the next couple days, mainly due to the Saharan dust moving in from the Gulf of Mexico. We do have the current drought monitor that just came out today. It does show some abnormally dry conditions across portions of Texoma, so we are a little drier than normal. Our lake levels across the area are a little lower than normal due to the drought. 4 feet below normal in Broken Bow, 1 feet in McGee Creek, and a little bit below normal in Atoka as well. Your Lake Texoma planner, we do have temperatures expected to be above 100 for the next 3 days, with slight chances of storms on Friday and Saturday. Afternoon temperatures today are expected to be at 100 across most locations, except maybe a few locations in southeastern Oklahoma. Morning lows tomorrow will be in the mid to upper 70s across the entire area. For your 7-day outlook sponsored by Get Roofed, expect temperatures at or above 100 for the next 7 days, with some slight chances of rain on Friday and Saturday. Now we'll have more news coming up after the break.